Hi guys, so today you're going to be using the color control cream. I'm using light to medium and I'm going to apply it all over my face and then use a makeup sponge to really blend it out. Next we're going to move on to our eyes. We're going to use the iconic eyeshadow palette and we're going to be using the color Myth for our base. Next we're going to use the Wanderlust palette and we're going to be using MOROCCO for our edges and we're going to be using Smudge for the creases. Then you're going to blend it. Then I'm going to take out my contour stick and I'm going to blend it with another makeup sponge. Afterwards, I'm going to take out my highlight stick and I'm going to be blending that with my finger. Then you're going to be using the Double Lash Extend Mascara. It's a two-part mascara and the first one is for volume and the next one is for length. Then we're going to be using a 3-in-1 Ace palette for the face. Basically, it has your contour, your highlight, and your blush all in one. I love the highlight, but don't forget to blend it in. Next, I'm going to be using the lip liner number 227 or in brown. Then I'm going to be using the matte liquid lipstick in Nude Essence or number 3. I also like to go back with my lip liner to continue shading out my edges. At the end, I'm going to apply this lip plumper, which is super glossy and it makes my lips pop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and follow up with us for any questions on any of the products used today or any other Farmasi products. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.